Hey, what up guys, how's it going? Okay, so you've seen the unboxing of the brand new 2020 X20 that I just did. So if you haven't seen it, go ahead and check out that video. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to see me unbox it. But today is just a riding video. This is just a quick riding video. I went out, got on it really quick. It's a little hard for me to hold the camera while I'm on the throttle, so you know I don't downshift or anything, and I'm blowing through stop signs as you'll see in this video. But fastest I probably got it up to was about 57, 58 miles an hour when I was really on it. But it's very smooth, comfortable. I do like it. Not too bad. The bike's a beast, guys. Oh yeah, don't worry. I got more content, more videos, more stuff coming. You're gonna love it, and yeah, stay tuned. Especially for the summer. I got something else coming. Yeah. Laters.